Hello, today we are going to answer one question from WBCS Men's General Studies Paper 3. So let's see what is in it. Which one of the following is not a wood from the Himalayan forests, whether it is deodar or teak or cypress? So we need to find the correct answer among these given four options. But here we just not only give you the right answer but also try to give a small description about it. So let's get into the answer. Cypress is not a wood from Himalayan forests. Cypress is a conifer tree or shrub of northern temperate regions that belongs to the family Cupressaceae. The word cypress is derived from Old French cypress, which was imported from Latin cypressus. Okay, therefore option 4 is the right answer. So we have successfully answered this question, and that's all for today. Thank you very much.